turn to page 76. And I'd like to invite Asma Kumara to lead the chanting.
Santang va achatang pasati sambojjhangam.
Santang va achatang pasati sambojjhangam.
Santang va achatang samadhi sambojjhangam.
Santang va achatang samadhi sambojjhangam.
Santang va achatang upekha sambojjhangam.
Santang va achatang upekha sambojjhangam.
Attime achatang upekha sambojjhangko dipajanati.
Attime achatang upekha sambojjhangko dipajanati.
Asantang va achatang upekha sambojjhangam.
Asantang va achatang upekha sambojjhangam.
Nattime achatang upekha sambojjhangko dipajanati.
Nati me achatang upekha sambojjhangko dipajanati.
Yatha ca anupannassa.
Yatha ca anupannassa.
Upekha sambojjhangassa uppado hodi.
Upekha sambojjhangassa uppado hodi.
Tanja pajanati.
Tanja pajanati.
Yatha ca uppannassa upekha sambojjhangassa.
Yatha ca uppannassa upekha sambojjhangassa.
Bhavanaya paripuri hodi.
Bhavanaya paripuri hodi.
Tanja pajanati.
Tanja pajanati.
Iti achatang va dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Iti achatang va dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Bahittha va dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Bahittha va dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Acchatta bahittha va dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Acchatta bahittha va dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Samudaya dhammanupassi va.
Samudaya dhammanupassi va.
Dhammesu viharati.
Dhammesu viharati.
Vaya dhammanupassi va.
Vaya dhammanupassi va.
Dhammesu viharati.
Dhammesu viharati.
Samudaya vaya dhammanupassi va.
Samudaya vaya dhammanupassi va.
Dhammesu viharati.
Dhammesu viharati.
Atti dhammadi va.
Ati dhammadi va.
Panassa satipatthana hodi. Yava deva jnanamattaya.
Yava deva jnanamattaya.
Patissati mattaya.
Patissati mattaya.
Anissito ca viharati.
Anissito ca viharati.
Naca kinji loke upadiyati.
Naca kinji loke upadiyati.
Evam bhikkho bhikkhave.
Evam bhikkho bhikkhave.
Bhikkhu dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Bhikkhu dhammesu dhammanupassi viharati.
Sattasu bojjhangesu.
Sattasu bojjhangesu.
Bojjhanga pappang nittitang.
Bojjhanga pappang nittitang.
Okay, sadhu. Now please turn to page 76. Let's have a look at the rest of the factors of awakening. We covered sati, dhammavicaya, and viriya yesterday. Mindfulness, investigation of dhammas, and energy. And today we are talking about passaddhi, samadhi. Hey, there's something missing. Did I miss out something? Oh, rapture, piti, yes. So we're talking about the rest of the three factors here. It's passaddhi, samadhi, and upekha. Now, passaddhi here is translated as tranquility, which is calmness of body and mind. And then samadhi here is translated as composure. And there's a note on page 77, note 11, there where I analyzed the word samadhi. Samadhi is a noun derived from sam, together, thoroughly, plus a, which means to bring, and the root da, which means to put, to place. And samadhi actually has a verb in active voice, samadhati, to thoroughly bring together and put or place, and another in passive voice, samadhiyati, to be thoroughly brought together and put or placed. Jittam samadhiyati is the Pali idiom which can be translated in a variety of ways, such as the mind is concentrated, focused, stabilized, steadied, collected, composed. Note that the various renderings are not wrong as long as they do not deviate from the generic meaning of the mind is thoroughly brought together and well put or placed. Actually, all of these words convey that meaning, but some of these words also have other connotations or implications that may confuse people or give yogis the wrong impression, maybe a bit misleading. How many of you attended Asma Kumara's Jhana and Samadhi according to the Suttas workshop? Hands up. Oh, quite a number of you. Not a lot though. Maybe less than 10. Well, maybe next time we'll have another one in SBS, inviting Asma Kumara to conduct his workshop. And even those people who attended his first workshop will be encouraged to attend this again, because after conducting 7 workshops, I think my 7th workshop is so much better than my first one. Keep on upgrading with more and more materials and more discoveries. Okay. Anyway, in his workshop, he would have explained why he preferred to use the word composed and collected, composure and collectedness for samadhi, rather than to use the word concentration. Because people tend to have this impression that concentration means focusing on one single point, and this is aggravated by our current translation of ekaggata as one-pointedness. And so this can lead to a lot of problems in meditation, with yogis complaining of headaches and so forth, and even our sister here who complained of shortage of breathing because she couldn't concentrate on her breath. Okay. Anyway, I've preferred to translate it as composure here, samadhi. And we'll talk more about samadhi after our discussion. Okay? Right. So samadhi here means composure, calmness of mind, collectedness of mind, bringing together all the components of the mind, the various departments in the mind, and place them properly in wherever you want to place them. Okay? And upekkha here, equanimity, is a bit different from the feeling of indifference. It's different from neutrality, neutral feeling. That sort of feeling is called neither painful nor pleasant feeling. Right? Upekkha is something that has got to do with wisdom. Yeah, it comes about knowing that things happen because of causes and conditions, and there is an element of acceptance involved in upekkha. When you can accept situations for what they are, then you are equanimous. Otherwise, you will be resisting, and you might be scolding yourself, for doing such a silly thing and so forth. right? So equanimity comes out of wisdom. And if we look at some of the suttas in the Bojjhanga Samyutta, we can see that the development of these 7 factors of awakening can be seen as a linear progression. You start off with sati and you end up with upekkha. Okay?